Apparently it is a new day. I didn't get anything else done yesterday either. I keep thinking I'm going to, and then I don't. But anyway, here's what it looks like today. I did have to jump onto my work computer to do something quick. One of my processors needed something real fast for me to do. Yeah, even on vacation, you still end up having to work some. But it was literally like something that just took like 2 minutes to do. So, but it was nice coming in here knowing I could easily walk to my desk and anything that I needed to get to was right there and readily available. But as I was waiting on my computer to boot up and things like that, I was looking around as well, and how nice it is that those picture frames are gone, so I don't sit there and think about the dust that's on them, that I've got to get those things dusted and I never have time to dust, that kind of thing. So that part was nice. I do still need to clean my desk though, because I've got crumbs everywhere, because I constantly eat at my desk whenever I'm working. Not that I eat the whole 8 hours I'm working, but I never have time for like an actual lunch. I'm normally eating at my desk. So there's stuff everywhere because of that. So it does need a good wipe down, but that's not what this is about. This is about decluttering. So I will do the quick wipe down and things like that once everything's done decluttered. So until then, it's not bothering me enough to really do something about. If it does, then I'll do that whenever I get back to work and start working again, but not right now, not today. So anyway, let me show you what it looks like this morning. All right, it looks wonderful. Nice, clean area to work at, which is nice. I finished getting my surface set up. I had to get the plug plugged in and all that good stuff. So that's there. My trash pile's here, and I still have my shred pile to do today, but that will be done. I still have to go through these fireworks to decide what in the world we're going to do with them, because I really don't know what to do. I did find out that if you just like water them down for a couple of days, then you can actually just put them in regular trash, which is nice. But my thing is, I think we're going to use them eventually for 4th of July. It's just this year we didn't. So we'll see. Anyway, this is my eBay side of my room now. So this is what I'm going to be working on today. So I kind of have things here, there, and everywhere at this point. A lot of it's just things that just has to be put away. So it's not like I'm going to do any purging in this area. I don't think I will unless it's trash. You know, some of it may be trash. But no actual purging is going to go on in here. Everything that's in here is sellable. Because all the things that I have to go through and things are in my room still. So everything in here I'm keeping. So this is an actual declutter. It's more of a straightening up. But it's right now it's unusable for me because of how it is. So I need to get it together, get it usable. Some things I need to inventory and things like that. I got to get the boxes back in order because right now it's a mess. Those kind of things is what I'm going to do. So this one's going to be a lot quicker process to do than my other rooms, which will be nice. It'll be a nice little breather and know that I got something accomplished quickly. But it still is something that needs to get done. So I'm going to do that now. And I will let you know how long it takes and show you the progress as I go along. All right, so this is where I'm at. Still haven't gotten much done, but I did get everything inventoried that I had listed. So that's good. So this is one of the tubs. This was my C2 tub. I've got my C1, which is kind of too full. It's like bubbling over, but most of the items I sell are in this one. So I try to cram as many as I can, as that makes it sell faster. I don't know. And then this is now my C3 tub. So now I have 3 tubs full of clothing. This one's not full. This one obviously has some room to go. But I've started with my 3rd tub. So I have 2 tubs still empty of clothes. That will get filled up as I start listing things that I'm finding around the house, I guess. We'll see. But anyway, I'm going to go take a break and eat because it's about lunchtime now. And this took way longer than it should have. I ran out of eBay stickers too. So like what I normally do is I put these in little bags and then I put the eBay sticker on it with the inventory number. And I ran out of eBay stickers. So now I just had to use my labels. So luckily I had labels. That's why I didn't get rid of them. So I had those to use in the meantime, and I will get new eBay stickers at some point, and then I'll put eBay stickers back on them eventually. Not on these. These will just stay the way they are, but whenever I inventory new items, I'll have those. I'm just waiting on my new eBay shipping coupon to come out, and then I'll buy some more labels at that point, because I don't need anything else really from eBay, because it'll be first quarter at that point, and you don't sell a lot in first quarter, so might as well just get more labels. Anyway, I'm going to go eat now. Talk to you all later. And I'm almost done. I just have all the shredding that I have left to do, so I'm going to do that now. Okay, I am done. So now when you walk in, you got my magazines there. I still had the fireworks bag here, but I did get rid of some of the trash that was in there. And there were some boxes and things behind it too, so I got rid of all that stuff. So now it's just fireworks in there. What are you doing? Showing the tour of what I got done today.
Okay.
Okay.
I can't on my bed. Another tape. A cat.
Okay. Shh. Quiet. Go play with your house. Alright, and then I've got my printer, my dry erase board, and markers, calendar, bulletin board, those kind of things. This stuff here is to donate my action items, cleaning slips, which I showed y'all that in another video, checkbooks and checkbook stuff, budget stuff, work stuff is over here. I had some eBay packages ready to go out, so those are going. And some, again, my label printer, my Surface, my control journal and organizing for home, and the scale. Here's my shred bin. It is empty. I've shredded everything, so I am good for now. Thank goodness. I ended up putting my mannequins over here because there was room, and it made it a lot easier to walk into my eBay room doing it that way. Here's all my bins. C1, C2, and C3 are on top, so I can get to those easily. This one is empty, ready for inventory that I've listed to go in, and this one down at the very bottom is also empty, so I probably should have put the two empty ones on one side and the full ones on the other, but I didn't. Boxes are now stacked up, all of the boxes. So I had some boxes over here that I'd gotten off of eBay that I didn't put in with my thing of boxes, but now they're all incorporated in there, grouped according to size, as best I could at least. Bags full of plastic bubbles and bubble wrap are right there. Then I have some of my mom's stuff up here that she's keeping, but we just haven't found places for it. These bins here have unlisted inventory in them. The ones that have letters on them have listed inventory that have been inventoried already. Those two boxes on the bottom, I believe, are empty. This has some inventory here that whenever I sell them, this bin will kind of go somewhere else in the house. This stuff I still need a list. I've got my light back there for whenever I take pictures. This is just miscellaneous junk. So I guess I kind of didn't go through this, but it's Christmas stuff is what it is. So we will go through it here pretty soon. Some of that still needs to go out to the shed. So I guess I kind of failed at this section here, but anyway, these are Xander's racetracks and his wagon down there. They just kind of came in here because they don't fit in his room. Shoes that still need to be listed. Envelopes. All of my supplies and things for eBay are up there, so for shipping and stuff. So yeah, so overall, very good. I just didn't go through these last things, but like I said, whenever we start getting out the Christmas stuff, because I know this has Christmas stuff in it, we will combine them with the Christmas stuff that's in the shed, which is where we are supposed to house our Christmas stuff, but somehow this stuff got separated. So I will do that, and I'm not even sure what's in that bottom bin. I think that's more of my mom's stuff that she's wanting to keep, so it's just there for now. Alright, so it looks much better in here. I can move around again. I can utilize my desk again, which makes me happy, and it didn't take all that much time, longer than I wanted it to, but I wanted to do it right at the same time, and so... Oh, and that bin down there has pictures and things for my mom, so they're staying as well. They're just being housed there for now. Alright, so tackle a room in your house that you feel is impossible or that is driving you completely crazy, and you'll see that you'll get it done, and it'll look very nice when you're done with it. So I have that lid there. There's a bin that's missing a lid, so I don't want to get rid of the lid, in case you wondered what that was. So All right, so this one is done. So I'm moving on to my bedroom. Wait till you see this one.